D'Angelo Bennett, the second person accused of killing a pizza delivery man, changed his plea today to guilty. Last month, Andre Washington pleaded guilty to robbery and had his murder charge dropped after he threatened a witness. News Channel 15's Elizabeth Fields was in the courtroom, and again, that murder charge was dropped today.
That's right, Heather. 20-year-old Bennett pleaded guilty to robbery, a Class A felony. And while he may have admitted to playing a part in Ian Crace's death in 2009, it sure didn't look like he wanted to from what we saw in the courtroom. When the judge asked Bennett if he was sure he wanted to change his plea, he took a long pause and even shook his head, but eventually answered yes. When the judge asked him what he was guilty of, Bennett said, quote, "Whatever is on the paper." The judge asked Bennett again and told him he, quote, "wasn't going to play games," so Bennett answered robbery. Finally, the judge asked him if he or Washington was armed at the time or after a heated debate with his lawyer, Bennett admitted Washington had a gun. In the plea deal, Bennett would be getting 38 years, 30 to be served behind bars, 8 suspended, and another 5 on probation. Bennett was only days away from his trial and will now be sentenced on November 18th. Washington's sentencing is set for Monday. The victim's family was also there today to hear the plea. Elizabeth Fields, News Channel 15.